All right, what's up, guys? This is Diego with Techie Life. We have another episode here, and we have a Samsung, of course, like always. Ooh. Samsung is model number. Let's see here. Mm, It's a UN 65J JU7100. This TV was used as an outdoor TV. It's just a little dirty, but it's not too bad. We're gonna be trying to repair this here. Let me show you what it does. So let me connect this real quick. So when I plug it in, it gets power according to this little thing here. It gets power. Once we turn it on, you hear the click. It's blinking. But all we get in the bottom is the little smart logo. And let's see what else we got. Oh, well, I need the One Connect. But we get the smart logo and it never comes up. It just stays black. But I know that the backlights are working because it's glowing. So this could be one of two things. Either the One Connect is bad or the main board is bad. And considering that this TV was left outside, I'm guessing it might be just the main board that's bad. So I did the One Connect. I turn it on with the One Connect and it gives me the same results as it does without the One Connect. So I'm only guessing that it's gonna be part of the main board that's gonna be bad here. So before I troubleshooted it, I actually went and bought this main board. I got it from eBay. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the back. Alrighty. So the back is off. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in this One Connect. Where did it go? Right there. Let's plug it in here. So I'm looking for, it turned on right now with the HDMI output right here. I mean the optical output turned on. Let's see if we have backlights here. I don't see backlights yet. It's weird because it's not responding the way it should. I was trying to turn it off right now. Let me see if I can do it with my remote. And this kind of points to some of the logics here of the TV. So right there should be coming off. And we don't have a response here. As far as the TV goes, oh, there it goes. So now it turned off. So the logic is delayed quite a bit, and we don't have any light anymore here. So I want to show y'all when you turn it on here, what happens. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Click Smart TV. And that's it. There's no HDMI logo, nothing. Just a Smart TV and that's it. So once I go ahead and turn this off again, let's see here. waiting for it to turn off. There it is. I'm gonna unplug this and we're gonna try starting it again, and we'll see what we get now. Some more TV. And we get nothing, of course. So I'm taking a chance here, like I said, only because I don't know exactly if it's the One Connect or if it's the main box. We're in the main board. Take a chance with the main board because, like I said, this thing lights up, which means to tell me that there's power going there. So let's go ahead and switch it out right now. Alright, so board has been changed out. Let's go ahead and put all the connectors together here with the LVDS. 22 pin here, 16 pin here. I like how Samsung dictates how many pins there are on this cable, so you can not just use it on this, but you can use it on other TVs as well if you need be. The speakers, and let's hook up the One Connect here. All right, so let's give it some power. Got a click up the lights on down there, optical, and I see a bunch of brightness here. Oh, would you look at that? That's in it's like French. I wonder if I have the wrong version of this, but I'm pretty sure we can change the language out here. But I went ahead and bought the 0991 kilo, and the original board is actually gonna be 0841 Bravo. So even though they are the same, UN65 JU 7100, they are different boards supposedly. So we'll see how that goes. But at least I got a picture, and hopefully you can be able to solve this. Like I said, my logic was the fact that I know that there's power and there's some sort of data going through here because we had the red optical coming out there. Backlights weren't an issue. If you turn off your lights and you turn on the TV, you can see that there's a backlight glow. And the fact that the response time when I turn off the TV, it was too slow. So we'll go from there, and hopefully this TV is a match for this board. And until next time, guys, laters.